Hey guys, I hope all of you are fine and doing well. Welcome back to my channel with another very beautiful video of hand embroidery designs for dresses. This video contains a very beautiful, elegant and stylish borderline embroidery designs. These borderline embroidery designs could be used for different type of stylized patterns of your hemline, for four corners of your dupatta, for your sleeves borders, for your trouser borders, even designing your stole, your scarf, your every type of home decor item. Like you can make these patterns of embroidery onto your cushion covers, pillow covers, bed sheets, onto your table mat, onto your prayer mat, onto your chair covers. Even you can design these patterns onto your baby girl dresses, frocks, skirts. You can design these very beautiful patterns onto your shirts. The beauty and creativity is that you can make these patterns of borderline embroidery as per your choices, for the type of requirement in which you want. Basic beginner friendly stitches like lazy daisy stitch, satin stitch, French knot, stem stitch, chain stitch, and simple and easier stitches like that have been used in the whole embroidery pattern, so that the one who are lovers of hand embroidery or beginners of hand embroidery or do not know the complex art of hand embroidery, they can embroider these patterns. Even you can design these very beautiful patterns onto your towels, bath towel, hand towel. So the creativity is not limited to specific content only. So if you really like the design ideas, don't forget to like, subscribe and share my videos with your friends and family. Leave comments in the comment section which design you like the most and what you want us to share with you in our new upcoming videos. The basic intent and motive of me making videos and sharing design ideas with you is to share creativity and designs. We never intend or reclaim someone else's work as our own. The basic purpose and motive of designing and sharing ideas is to share creativity with you. And stay tuned for the more and new upcoming videos, because on daily basis we try our level best to share creativity, hand embroidery, hand art, needle art, design ideas with you. If you really like them, don't forget to like, subscribe, and see you soon in my new upcoming videos. Up till then, thank you so much for watching.